Hi guys, in this video we talk about Vivo X100 Pro versus Vivo IQOO New 9 Pro. The Vivo X100 Pro launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $800. The Vivo IQOO New 9 Pro launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $499. The body dimensions: Vivo X100 Pro height 6.46 inches, width 2.96 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The Vivo IQOO New 9 Pro dimensions: height 6.44 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 8.0 mm. The weight of these devices: the Vivo X100 Pro comes with 221 gram and the Vivo IQOO New 9 Pro comes with 196 gram. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and the same Vivo IQOO New 9 Pro front and back glass and aluminium frame, and the both mobile come with dual SIM nano SIM card supported. The display type of the devices: the both device come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type, and the screen size is same 6.78 inches. And the resolution of the devices: the both device come with 1.5K screen resolution. The PPI intensity is same 453. The refresh rate of the devices: Vivo X100 Pro comes with 120Hz refresh rate, and the Vivo IQOO New 9 Pro comes with 144Hz. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with 89.8% screen to body ratio. The Vivo IQOO New 9 Pro comes with 89.7% screen to body ratio, and the both mobile come with Gorilla Glass protection. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with 3000 nits peak of brightness, and the Vivo IQOO New 9 Pro comes with 2000 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Vivo IQOO New 9 Pro comes with dual camera setup, main sensor 50 megapixel wide and 50 megapixel ultra wide, and it's record 8K 30 fps video. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with triple camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto this optics, and it's record 8K 30 fps video. The selfie camera of the devices: the Vivo X100 Pro comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 1080p 60 fps video record. The Vivo IQOO New 9 Pro comes with 16 megapixel selfie camera with 1080p 30 fps video record. The platform of the devices: the Vivo X100 Pro and the Vivo IQOO New 9 Pro come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4 and the same chipset MediaTek Dimensity 9300 4nm chipset, and the GPU is same Motorola G720. And the both device come with Android 14. Vivo X100 Pro come with FunTouch 14, and the Vivo IQOO 9 Pro come with Origin OS 4. And the memory of the devices: the Vivo X100 Pro and the Vivo IQOO New 9 Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the internal storage is same in both devices: 256GB, 512GB and 1TB. No SD card support in both devices. The battery backup of the devices: the Vivo X100 Pro comes with 5400 mAh battery. The Vivo IQOO New 9 Pro comes with 5160 mAh battery. The fast charging: the Vivo X100 Pro comes with 100 watt fast charging, and the Vivo IQOO New 9 Pro comes with 120 watt fast charging, and the Vivo X100 Pro supported 50 watt wireless charging, and the both mobile come with 5G network support. The commons and the feature is same, but the Vivo X100 Pro comes with IP68 rating. The result of the devices: the Vivo X100 Pro got 24 points and the Vivo IQOO New 9 Pro got 21 points.